I heard about you that what is the position of Bangladesh, the Grameen Bank of Bangladesh. So let me discuss about it. That Grameen Bank of Bangladesh is one of the biggest success stories in reaching the poor to meet their credit needs at a reasonable rates. I started in the 1970s at a small project. Yeah, it was the independence, you can say about that. It was the time of independence when Bangladesh get independence, and after the independence they decided to enhance the productivity of village with the help of the capital. And Grameen Bank in 2018 has over 9 million members in about 81,600 villages spread across Bangladesh. So it is the huge amount of villages they now get benefited with the help of Grameen Bank. Almost all of the borrowers are women, and being the poorest section of society, these borrowers have proved that not only uh, are poor women a reliable borrower, but that they can start and run a variety of small income generating activities successfully. So, the Grameen Bank of Bangladesh was established with the help of Professor Muhammad Yunus, and he also got the Nobel Prize of Peace for 2006. And he said that if credit can be made available to the poor people on terms and conditions that are appropriate and reasonable, these millions of small people with their millions of small pursuits can add up the create the biggest development wonder. So this is the thought of Professor Muhammad Yunus, and he did a very wonderful job. And India should also learn something from there. And as I see that in India there is also going some self-help group, and which is for women who don't get direct benefited from the commercial bank for a loan because they don't have direct say security features to show to the bank to get loan. But when they create a group, then bank started to trusting on him and they provided loan. You can also say it is a part of a cooperation society like this, and they collect some amount of money and they deposit it into the bank, and after 1 or 2 years bank believing those groups, and they provided some amounts, some loans for them on very nominal charges. It maybe approximately 10% yearly, and I think it's a very good opportunity for villager, rural areas people, a small businessman, a small traders, a farmer, to get loan from bank with very minimal interest. And it will also help them from money lenders, because money lenders asked a much higher, they are very much higher interest rate, approximately 5% in a month, and when you calculated it in the year, then it will become 60% in a year. Wow, it's so too much, and it will very high rates when you talk about the interest. And yeah, let's see what happened ahead. We should increase these types of activities in our rural areas in India. Normally India has most of the land occupied by rural areas. Most people live in rural, so government should also think about this, and government should also think about the informal sectors who provides the loan to the farmers or to the poorer sections with the higher amount. And it is a great challenge for India to reduce all these fault.